Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. I do a lot of makeup tutorials, reviews and all sorts of different makeup content. If that's something that interests you, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. The other day I got in the mail the Wahala II collection. This box right here, which contains the Wahala II palette. I'm going to show you the inside in a minute. Also 2 mini lip products, a lip gloss and a liquid lipstick. This entire collection is available on the Juvia'S website for $50 at the moment. And if you want to get the palette only, it's $38. First, I love how this box looks. It's so colorful and pretty. And inside we have, let's start with the lip products. So first we have this liquid lipstick called Shakara. It's a peachy, it's just a peach color. I'm going to swatch it on my hand so you can see how the shade looks. It has this really big doe foot applicator. And this is what the shade looks like. I really love these kind of shades and I can't wait to apply this on my lips. Yay! As you can see, it's a true peach color. And next we have the Petty Betty lip gloss. Let's see how this looks. This is a pinkish nude lip gloss. It has the same kind of applicator. And it looks something like this. My swatches are so ugly, but I guess you can see how the shades look. I said this is a pink nude. It's kind of not. It's a pink. It's not really nude at all. So it's quite bright, I'd say. I'm going to turn the lighting a little bit down so you can see the shades properly. So this is how they look like. And now for the part that everyone wants to see, we have the Wahala II palette. And it comes in this box, and this is the palette. And let's look a little bit at the inside. When I first saw this, I was like, this looks a lot prettier in real life than in pictures. And this is how it looks like. It's so beautiful. It has all these bright shades which I'm absolutely obsessed with. But I'm going to start swatching the palette so you can see every shade properly, because I'm not going to apply every shade on my eye. It's a really big palette, I can't do that in a look. But at least you're going to see how they look swatched. So I'm going to start with this shimmer right here. Ooh, this looks so bright, perfect for highlighting the inner corner. The next shade is a kind of a shimmery purple, blue, like an ink blue. Oh, this looks so pretty. Oh my god, like I love this palette so much already. Next we have the shade Dream, which is a matte ink blue. On the palette it says that this, along with other matte shades, are pressed pigments. This is how it looks like. Next we have this beautiful like forest green kind of a color. I feel like it looks kind of teal. Next we have the shade Wasted, which is my kind of shade. I really love these bright orangey shades. Next we have, oh my god, this is interesting. We have the shade Fake, which is kind of, it's purple when you first look at it, but if you look at it from the side, it has like green shifts. I think this will be interesting. Oh, it's, oh my god, it's very creamy, and it's definitely duochrome. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see this. I've never seen a shade like this. Oh my god, you can see that green shift, and it's kind of like those mirror pigments that you use on the nails, you know, the mirror nails. It's very reflective. Okay, like this is new. Next we have the shade Greed, which is a light silver shade. And next we have Wicked. So pretty. Next we have a shade that you're not ready for. It's called Goals. and it's very sparkly. This has really big chunks of glitter, so you kind of have to tap it like this. This is how it looks like. It's so beautiful. It has kind of a creamy base and really big chunks of glitter. Next we have the shade Venom, which is a shimmery green. Ooh, such a beautiful shade. Oh, I love this one. Then we have the shade 419. Oh, this is kind of glittery as well, but it has like smaller chunks. And again, they feel very creamy, like they have a very creamy base. And then we have the shade Too Much, which is a very bright pink. This is how they look like up close. They look really beautiful. Moving on, we have the shade Shakara, which is a very bright shimmery white. So pretty. Next we have this purple shimmer. Like I can't with how bright and pigmented these are. Next we have the shade Dope, which is a blue shimmer. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Next we have the shade Lust, which is a matte green. Then we have the shade Lit, which is such a beautiful light peachy shade. It's perfect for transition. Next we have a shade that again you're not ready for. It's called Colo. Again, very, very, very creamy. And it's a purple glitter. For these ones you can really feel the glitter chunks. But I feel like these are the best pressed glitters that I've tried so far. Like they swatch really well compared to others that I've tried. Next we have the shade Ambitious. Like, can you see like the first row is all silver? Ooh, okay. The second row is all like blue, like purplish blues, and then blue, and then green, and then like red, peachy, stuff like that, and then pink and purple. Am I crazy? Okay, let's see the shade Ambitious, this silver shimmer. Next we have Fury, a blue matte shade. Then we have Bold, a dark blue shimmer. Next we have Hater. Oh, such a beautiful teal shade. It leans more towards green, but it looks so beautiful. This is how it swatches, so gorgeous. Next we have the shade Period. Oh my god, this swatched so well. Such a beautiful shade for fall. Next we have Yob, which again would work really well for me as a transition. It's a light pink shade. Again, have a closer look because I'm going to wipe this off and be right back. Final row we have the shade Gold. I know you all wanted to see this. Trust me, when I saw the pictures I wanted to see this too. It's very similar to the gold shade, like it has that big chunks of glitter, as you can see here. And again, I'm not sure if I can just drag it like this. Oh, okay. Okay, this looks fine. I thought that you need to tap it, but I feel like it looks better like this. Okay, next we have the shade Rage, which is like blue and kind of silverish, like a more toned down blue. Next we have Money. I would expect Money to be green. Oh, it in fact is. It's a blue and green duochrome, something like that. Ooh, because in the pan it looks quite like blue slash teal, but from one side it's blue, and then I feel like on camera it looks very green. Depends on how you look at it. Oh, okay, this way it looks blue and this way it looks really green. So beautiful. Next we have Jealous, which is a matte teal. More green than blue, but yeah, kind of a teal. Next we have ASAP, which is a very dark reddish brown. And last but not least we have Oh Yeah. Oh Yeah. Oh, this feels quite chunky as well, so it has tiny glitters in it. Like, I can't believe how pigmented these are. I feel like these are, out of the old Juvia'S palettes, these swatched the best. And look at this, you just can't. This is like the final row. And now I can move on to applying the palette on my eyes, which I'm so excited for. First things first, I'm going to prime my eyelids and I'm going to use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my eyes. And I'm going to use my fingers to blend it. And now I'm going to let this dry for a couple of minutes. I feel like wasting this palette for not using the blues. Today I'm going to go grocery shopping. And I don't know if a blue smoky eye would be suitable for that. Like, the makeup that I'm going to do is not going to be suitable, but at least it's going to be a little bit more toned down, let's say. I'm going to start with the shade Wasted and apply this in my crease. The brush that I'm using is a Morphe M506 brush. It's just a small blending brush like this. And just brushing it back and forth to blend it. And this blended very well. I don't feel like I need transition anymore because it kind of faded into my skin. What did I do? I wanted to apply a little bit more Wasted, but I applied this shade by mistake. I think I'm going to be able to cover it. At least I hope so. I'm just clumsy like that. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the shade ASAP. I hope I will be able to cover this with the ASAP shade. This is again a Morphe 506 because I have this twice. It's a very useful brush. And let's see how this goes. Ooh, so pigmented. I'm going to do like a V shape in my outer corner. I don't think I'm going to apply a wing liner, so I'm kind of gonna use this shade to extend my eye a little bit and define my outer corner, like a wing liner would do. I'm going to take a little bit more of Wasted and use it to blend the ASAP shade. So I'm just going around the edges and also on the lower part and kind of extend it in my outer corner. And now, because I cannot help myself, I'm going to use the shade Goals. I'm just going to use my pinky and apply this. Oh my god. And I thought not applying blue would make this look a little bit more toned down. This is so bright. It's like I'm doing a New Year's Eve kind of a makeup, but I'm just going grocery shopping. I'm going to take a little bit more of ASAP to blend the edges of this glitter and just tap it so I don't move it too much. On my lower lash line, I think I want to apply the shade Fake because it's just so special and I want to see it. And I'm going to add a little bit of Oh Yeah on the outer corner of my lower lash line, just to kind of define this outer corner a little bit more. And now I'm going to blend the edges. This is the brush that I used in my crease, but I'm not adding any additional product on it. And now I'm going to apply a little bit more of that Wasted shade to connect it to the top part. And now I'm going to take Fame to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I kind of want to apply a black pencil and smudge it just to define my outer corner a little bit more. So I'm taking this Sephora collection black pencil. The shade is called Black Lace. And just on my outer corner I'm applying a little bit and then immediately smudging it with the Morphe M149 brush. Okay, false lashes are on, and next I'm going to line my lips using the Kat Von D Beauty Everlasting Lip Liner in the shade Lolita 2. I feel like this would go well with the peachy lipstick from Juvia'S. I'm overlining a little bit just in the center. And as lipstick, I'm going to apply the Shakara lipstick by Juvia'S. I just like this big applicator, it's so cute. I really love this shade, it's so bright and beautiful. And this is the look all complete. I really hope you like it. Out of all the Juvia'S palettes that I've tried, and I've tried all of them, almost. I might say that this is my favorite, truly. Like, I don't know, the color scheme, the pigmentation, the way the shades apply. I feel like it's so special, and especially because of these glitters and duochromes. It has such special shades. I am for sure going to do a lot more looks with this palette, so make sure that you stick around. I look forward to using the blues and the greens, which I skipped on today. So yeah, I'm really in love with this palette, like from the first try. It's so beautiful and so good. And also the lipstick is so pretty. I'm going to see how it lasts, but I love how it looks on the lips and I love the shade. I don't know, I'm so in love with this palette and this collection in general. I love the colors, I love the vibe of it, it's so beautiful. I really hope this video was useful for you. Again, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!